These 4 shortcuts helped me make money on YouTube and hit $46,532 per month, and I'm going to break them down for you in detail in this video. So if you are tired of grinding without results, these are the exact systems and strategies that finally moved the needle for me. Whether you're just starting out or you want to scale faster, this video is going to help you earn money faster with your YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people assume that you don't make money from YouTube until you get monetized, but I'm here to tell you that I started earning money from my channel from day one. So let's talk about how I did that. Because there are so many creators out there with way larger channels, view count, subscribers than me, and they are making way less money, and it doesn't have to be that way. Being a creator is a job. This is a career, and you deserve to get paid for it. And I think the reason a lot of creators struggle to make enough money on their channel is they think they just need to keep growing. Once they hit 1 million views, 1 million subscribers, whatever that number is, then they'll start earning money. But the truth is that you have to start putting these monetization channels into place now to start making sales now. That way, as your channel continues to scale, it will continue to scale your sales. But don't wait to have monetization channels in place with your channel until you hit a certain number. Do it now. I was able to start earning money from my YouTube channel as soon as day one because I didn't wait to get monetized. I didn't wait for brand deals. I didn't wait to hit a certain number of subscribers or views. What I did was from day one, I had a digital product to sell. And I put a link to a freebie in the description of all my YouTube videos. And I mentioned it in a lot of my YouTube videos as well. I got a lot better with mentioning it over time on my channel. And then what happened was people would go in the description, they would hear me talk about it in the video, they would put in their name and email to download the freebie, they'd get on my email list, and then they would get the option to purchase my digital product. And that was how I was able to get sales when I was only getting, 100 views, 300 views per video. I was able to get to $10,000 per month from my digital product sales well before my channel ever got monetized with YouTube AdSense. Okay, so now let's dive into the 4 shortcuts that are gonna help you make money with your YouTube channel way faster. Number 1 is coaching. Now, of course, I prefer digital products to coaching, but if you've never sold a digital product before, you're not even really sure, what would I teach? Who could I help? That kind of a thing. But if you've never sold digital products before, coaching might be a great place to start because you have your channel, you can listen to what people are saying in the comments, and you can learn a lot more from your ideal client when you're actually getting on one-on-one or group coaching calls with them. This can eventually lead you to creating a profitable digital product idea, but it can be a lot easier to get sales quickly if you have, for example, never sold anything from a business ever before. Because what you can do is whatever you're teaching on your channel, whatever your niche is, you can mention in the video and put a link in the description below and say, hey, I can help you solve XYZ. Let's say your channel is about branding. You could say, hey, I'm offering one-on-one strategy sessions for X price, per hour, and we can talk through your branding. We can decide on what your message is, what your core branding is, what you want to represent yourself out in the world as, right? And you can help them workshop through that. Or maybe your niche is like women's weight loss. You can be like, hey, you can book a call below. We can talk about your strategy, like your meal prep, your nutrition, your workouts, whatever it is that you talk about on your channel, make sure that it's congruent with the coaching that you're offering in the link in the description below. And if this is the route you want to go, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Calendly, but I would actually highly recommend TidyCal. This is not sponsored, but the reason I like TidyCal is it's a one-time price. I think it's like maybe $30. You're going to have to go look to see what the price is, but it's actually through AppSumo. And so you actually just pay one time and you get lifetime access versus something like Calendly, you have to pay every single year. I think it's like $100 to $300. So just a little quick tip for you. Okay, the second way to start making sales fast with your YouTube channel and not having to wait for AdSense is to sell something like a digital product or a membership. Now, this is exactly what I have done. And as long as your channel has a niche, it is somewhat educational, the people who are viewing your videos, they have a problem to solve, then you can help them solve that problem deeper in a digital product or a membership. So for example, on my channel, I talk mostly about strategy, but then if you want to learn like the click-by-click, step-by-step, exactly how to do it, how to implement it, along with weekly Q&A call support, a supportive community, templates, checklists, all that good stuff, then I have my membership that starts at just $59 a month called Freedom Creator Club. And you can do the exact same thing. And the great thing is that when you have a channel that's educational or helpful in some way, All you simply have to do is say, hey, if you want to learn more, work together further, get access to XYZ, check out my membership in the link in the description below this video. And again, this is a way you can start earning sales without having to wait for AdSense. You don't need tons of views. Literally even 100 views or more, you can start growing your email list, you can start making sales. Okay, the third one, and I think this is actually the easiest. This is one where I'm like, if you're not doing this, like, what are you doing? Okay. And that is affiliate income. Now, if you're not familiar with what affiliate income is, basically look into any software, any service, any program, anything that you use, and they probably have an affiliate program. What this means is if you promote their software, service, whatever it is, with a specific affiliate link that they will give you when you sign up, they will give you a percentage of every sale that you make. So let's say you're an affiliate for System.io. That is a software that I use, I love, and I am, of course, also an affiliate for them because I already use it and love it. So why not recommend it, right? So in a lot of my videos, I'll talk about it and I'll say, hey, you can get a free account with the link in the description below my video. And of course, in the description, it says, some of these links are affiliate links. You do want to make sure to disclose that. And then when people sign up, I might get a percentage of that sale. Now, obviously, if they sign up for the free account, I don't get any money for that because they're not making any money either. But if somebody upgrades their account to like a yearly or a monthly or something like that, I will get a percentage of that. I think System's payout is like 60%. Don't quote me on that. It's pretty good, but also the price of their software is pretty low. So I don't make like a ton of money from it, but it is pretty nice. But the thing you want to do is look at the tools, softwares, and things you're already using, and then Google the name of that brand and then the word affiliates. So like System.io affiliates or System.io affiliate program or something like that. And then you can sign up for their affiliate program for the things you're already using, loving, and talking about. Like maybe you make videos about Canva. Well, Canva has an affiliate program. Maybe you make videos about Adobe. They might have an affiliate program. Like really look into what you're already talking about. You can put those links below and start making money from your videos now. Also things like Amazon, they have affiliate programs as well. They don't pay very much, but if you are someone who's more of like a lifestyle creator or a vlogger, that might be a nice little bit of extra income as well. Okay, now the last thing is brand deals. Now, this is really going to depend on what niche you're in because sometimes people might not want to sponsor your videos until you're already monetized. Now, that's not something they really like look at or like know for sure if you're monetized or whatever, but typically they do want your videos to be hitting like a certain amount of views, but it really depends. It depends. They really just want like highly engaged videos. They want videos that have their ideal buyers in them. And also if your channel isn't getting enough views for brands to reach out to you, or you're reaching out to brands and they're not interested in paying yet because your channel is still too small, then I would highly recommend looking into UGC, which stands for user generated content. There are tons of websites out there that you can pitch yourself on where brands are looking for UGC creators to create things like ads, reels, TikToks, YouTube videos, and more. And this is something you don't have to post to your own channel. The brand will literally just pay you, say,
I want you to make a 90-second short about XYZ or applying this makeup or talking about this product or whatever.
And then they'll pay you. And if they run it as an ad, make sure that you negotiate more. And this is a really great way that you can start making money before your channel is big and before you get monetized. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Which of these shortcuts is your favorite? I really, really hope that you are inspired and motivated and believe that, look, you do not need to wait until you are monetized to start making money from your channel. There are so many opportunities. You don't have to wait until you have millions of subscribers. You don't have to be the next Mr. Beast. You can start making money from being a content creator now. In fact, even you just having the skill set of a content creator is well sought after. So now that you know the 4 shortcuts to make money on YouTube before you get monetized, you might be feeling up for a little bit of a challenge to keep yourself consistent, motivated, and inspired with growing your YouTube channel. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be that much more powerful. See you in the next video.